Guard, good morning. 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 So ayan guys, we are here back at MG Cebu kasi para sa claim natin sa warranty for this side na headlamp. Kasi nag-busted na siya compared dito sa right. So we are claiming for a warranty since 5 years warranty yung MG5. So ayan, pasok tayo and let's see kung ano yung good news ni Sir Ariel. Sir, morning. Alright. Morning, good morning. Ang gagawin natin dito is to see kung ano yung good news para sa claim natin sa warranty. Puntahan natin guys. Checklist. Ginagawa ito every time pinapasok yung unit para meron kayong turnover. Tignan natin pag on ni Sir Ariel. Ito guys, oh, hindi na talaga umiilaw. Itong kabila, umiilaw. O yun, umilaw na naman. Pero kumikirap-kirap. Wala na talaga to. Subject na talaga to guys. Isiga pero nagkirap-kirap. So maaga tayo ngayon para first in line. So ayan, chine-check, pinipicturan. So ayan guys, very nice. Ayan. Ang kintab, no? Araw-araw ko yan nililinisan guys. So ayan guys, update lang. Iiwan natin yung unit and then Sir Ariel will just communicate later pag tapos na. And then babalikan lang natin. So ayan, I'll see you later guys. Sir Ariel, thank you.
Sige sir.
Thank you. Ayan guys, so ipinasok agad. Meron pa akong kukunin dito. Kukunin ko yung bag. Alright, let's go.
A few hours later.
Stop sa MG. Sige, thank you. So ayan guys, we are back here. And tinawagan ako ni Sir Ariel kasi available na daw yung unit ko. Ayu. Ngayong hapon. Alright guys, we are good to go. And nandito na yung unit natin. Alright. Okay na sir? Okay na. Check natin guys, oh. Yun, oh. Wow. Ayan. Ito yung bago. Napaka-clear. Ayan. So as always guys, dito lang sa MG Cebu, nakikater lahat ng claims, warranty at saka insurance claim. Para sa mga warranty claims, yung procedure lang is kailangan ma-inspect yung unit.
Unit sir. Kung
para,
anong dahilan pagkasira pa.
Oo. Para maka-evaluate nila kung pasado ba or covered ba sa warranty. Kasi alam naman natin yung iba, merong ginagawang mga upgrades, aftermarket. Kaya yun, pag electronics, very ano tayo dyan, critical. So dapat, ako for 5 years, pinipigilan ko sarili ko kasi wala rin akong panggastos. But my MG5 is doing good aside from this ano lang talaga. And somehow, all my claims are covered thanks to MG Philippines. And especially ngayon, bago na yung management. So, but same pa rin yung coverage guys. So, no worries kasi everything is covered. And as always, dito sa MG Cebu, just look for Sir Ariel. And don't forget to bring your units here. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. God bless. Stay safe. Drive safe. Alright. Thank you.
Sige sir.
Sige.
Salamat sir.
Okay.